Big Sarmiento sa gilid. 3 points. Long two, rather. Long two. Number 14. Number 14 now, easily dribbling. Shot clock down to 10. Babawi. Malakas. Bakbakan sa rebound. Ako, nagkaagawan. Ang dalawang nakaputi. Shot clock down to 13. Number 21. Shot clock down to 6. No good. Bakbakan sa rebound. Putback. Wala. Ayan na. Good. Nice pass to Abo. Number 27. Ako. 3 seconds violation. Islabra. Setting a play. Islabra now. 14 seconds to shoot. Abad. 10 to shoot. Abad now. Zigzagging in the middle. Off balance. 5 to shoot. Wala pa rin. Abad now. Spin. Wala. Another offensive rebound. 10 seconds to shoot. Bounce pass. Turnover. Para sa team ng 1 ball. Number 17 now with the ladder. Number 17 pa rin. Good Gala. 10 to shoot. Nice pass to Abo. 2 points. 4-0 is our score. Islabra. Kick out pass for the big man. Hesitate. Intercepted. A transition play. Thought about it. Looking for Sarmiento. Big. Drives down the lane. Block. Same ball. Shot clock at 8 seconds. 8 seconds to shoot. Abu, short jumper, wala. Number 17, sa gitna, floater, wala pa rin. 27, 2 points. Good run. Good run now, attempting three. Air ball. A 6-0 is our score. Sarmiento. Number 17 now. We have a foul. Foul spotted on jersey number 17, holding. First personal foul and a first team foul. Good run. Good run pa rin, di diskarte. Shot clock down to 10. Inside. Floater, 2 points. On Abad. Number 17 now drive. Shot clock at 10. Sarmiento. Lace up, 2 points. Good run. Looking for number 7. 3 points. Number 17. Setting a play sa gitna. Jump shot. Wala. Abu. Shot clock at 8. Cross-court pass, 5 to shoot. No good, but there's a whistle. Foul spotted on jersey number 27. Illegal contact to the hand. Akop 2. Unang foul ni Abad. And the first team foul. Okay, last throw, Jobbers ready. 1 out of 2 for Batalya. Bernavides setting a play. 12 seconds to shoot. 6-second powers. In and out. Rebounder by Sarmiento. Sarmiento, dalawang lagpasan. Naagaw. Almost. Islavera kick out pass. Montran. Wala pa rin. Rebounded by Abu. Batalya. Batalya now down the lane. No good. May whistle tayo doon. Foul on jersey number 7. Illegal contact to the hand. Akop 2. Unang foul. And a second team foul. Too strong for Mr. Batalya. Last row natin, Jobbers ready.
Hindi pa nagagamit to.
1 out of 2. Daileg. Daileg na crossover move. Number 10, Gundran. 12 to shoot. Abad take. Abad using his body inside to point. Napakalakas ng upper body ni Mr. Abad. Number 17. We have a whistle on jersey number 7. Blocking foul. Second personal foul and third team foul. Substitution. Pasok si Mr. Palaruan. Shot clock at 14. Batalya. Batalya now. 5 seconds to shoot. Baseline drive. Sarmiento. No good. Rebounded by Abu. Batalya hesitate. 10 to shoot. Wala pa rin. Number 14 is Labra. Hangtang for number 14. The lead is down to 1. Sarmiento. Hesitation move. Floater. Wala. Another rebound by Islabra. Islabra now down the lane. Kick out pass. At this time for jersey number 7. Batalya sa gitna. 2 points. Exactly 3 minutes to play. A 3-point deficit thereby Nankayasan. Daileg. Wala pa rin. 12 to shoot. Islabra kick out pass. Daileg. Jump shot. 2 points. Batalya. Looking for the receiver. Abu. Jump shot number 3. Wala. Islabra. Pangatlong rebound ni Mr. Islabra. Daileg. Libre. Malakas nga lang. Long pass. Exactly 2 minutes remaining. Running jumper. No good. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 to shoot. Sarmiento. 5 to shoot. Sarmiento now short jumper. No good. Daileg. There is Labra. Very good, but there's a contact. Foul spotted on jersey number 25. Illegal contact to the hand. Substitution.